Namaste dostum. So we are a family of 11.6k people and I'm so grateful to have you all because all of you have supported me so much in my content creation journey. Thanks for being the audience that I always wanted. From working with small startups to working with big brands, I have enhanced my skills which I have learned over the years. I am constantly learning to grow and get better to take up the possibilities that come my way. If you too want to constantly better yourself just like me, then I have a great news for you. Snapdragon is here with a photography contest you shouldn't miss. Get mentored and judged by the industry professionals, namely Dabboo Ratnani Aarzoo Khurana and Atul Kasbekar. If you win, you get a chance to intern with Dabboo Ratnani or Aarzoo Khurana and attend an exciting photography workshop. To participate, all you have to do is Step 1. Follow Snapdragon India's Instagram handle. Step 2. Register yourself for the competition through the link in the bio. Step 3. Choose one of the images shared by any of the mentors. Step 4. Combine the chosen image with an original image of yours to create a story. Step 5. Upload the image on the Instagram handle and tag Snapdragon India and all the 3 mentors with the hashtags mentioned in the caption. It's time for you to grab the opportunity. So what are you guys waiting for? Go and follow Snapdragon India now.